What if I told you the first bankers didn't wear suits? They wore aprons. What if the people who created modern money weren't in skyscrapers, but in small, dark workshops filled with fire, metal, and a whole lot of fear? 600 years ago, a handful of goldsmiths stumbled upon a secret so powerful, it built the foundation of every modern bank and every modern fortune. If you can grasp their simple trick, you'll understand exactly how the wealthy still make their money today. It all began in medieval Europe, a very dangerous time to be rich. Kings could seize your gold on a whim. Thieves could steal it in the night. No home, no matter how fortified, was truly safe. But there was one group of people who had something nobody else did: secure vaults and a rock-solid reputation. These were the goldsmiths, the master metalworkers of their time. Naturally, people started bringing their gold to them for safekeeping. In return, the goldsmiths handed them handwritten notes, simple receipts, promising that the gold could be claimed at any time. Before long, a revolutionary idea took hold. People realized they didn't need to go back for the heavy, clunky gold. They could just trade these convenient notes directly with each other. A piece of paper suddenly became as valuable as a piece of metal. Trust had officially replaced gold. And then came the discovery that would change the world forever. The goldsmiths noticed something fascinating. Almost no one ever came back to reclaim their actual gold. The notes just kept circulating. A brilliant, and perhaps a little risky, thought sparked in their minds. What if we lend out extra asterisk notes, notes not backed by any gold at all, and charge interest on them? It worked like a charm. Merchants borrowed these new notes to fund their ventures. Businesses grew from tiny workshops into thriving enterprises, and entire cities flourished on this newfound credit. The goldsmiths, once humble artisans, became the richest and most powerful men in Europe. They'd done the impossible. They had created money out of thin air. But confidence, as we all know, is a fragile thing. Rumors began to spread like wildfire. The vaults were empty. People panicked. A frantic rush began as everyone scrambled to claim the gold they thought was theirs. The heavy vault doors slammed shut. The goldsmiths couldn't pay them all because most of the gold simply wasn't there. It was history's very first bank run. It taught us a crucial lesson. Money isn't metal, it's belief. The moment people stop believing, the entire system collapses. Now here's why this ancient story is so relevant to you today. Every modern billionaire is playing the exact same game those goldsmiths started centuries ago. They use leverage building massive wealth with assets they don't fully own. They use trust carefully cultivating a powerful brand, a stellar reputation, and unbreakable credibility. And they use systems creating mechanisms that earn them money even while they sleep. Warren Buffett calls it compounding. Elon Musk calls it scaling. But it's the same ancient formula: control value through trust and time. Ultimately, money is not metal. It's not paper. And it's not lines of code on a screen. Money is a story. It's a story of confidence, written by those who are brave enough to believe in an idea before anyone else does. The goldsmiths didn't wait for permission. They took a calculated risk. They built systems of trust where none existed. And they created immense wealth from nothing more than their reputation. That is the real secret. You don't need to own the gold. You need to own the belief asterisk. When people trust your work, your brand, or your vision, your value multiplies in ways you can't even imagine. The goldsmiths of the past created wealth from paper. The builders of today create it from digital bits. The tools have changed, but the fundamental principle remains exactly the same. History isn't just a collection of old stories. It's a manual for success. If you learn the rules, you can build wealth the same way they did. This is the Chronicles of Capital, where money meets history, and history teaches you how to make it. Thank you for watching. If you found this story valuable, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next episode. We'll see you then.